My name is Sung Tieu. I'm Sung Tieu. I was born in Hai Duong, Vietnam, and I grew up in Berlin. I went to school in Hamburg at the Hochschule für Bildende Künste. There I studied with Andreas Luminski, who once told me that as a younger generation of artists, hopefully we're going to make work that he doesn't understand. I really took that with me somehow. My main studio is in Berlin, and then I also travel a lot to London because I did a postgraduate at the Royal Academy in London. I actually came from theatre, and before going to art school, I was studying international relations, and somehow art was the combining factor for me because I wanted to be creative but also do something that was socially engaging for me. Generally, I have sort of two strands. One that is very research heavy. I research certain themes that are relevant, and another one that is either engaged, with my personal histories or the way I think about art in general. So I have a collective practice as well. One of the collectives I'm part of since 2014 is called Choi, which I do with my friend Nhu Dong. We actually explore the Vietnamese diaspora that is situated very specifically within Berlin. So depending on the projects I work on, I enjoy working with other people. I think the general themes of my work throughout the last few years dealt with somehow a psychological approach to warfare. So I've been really interested in looking actually at the psychology of how war has changed its, I think, vision. The sonic layer of warfare that interests me is somehow actually how sound changes our perception in a much more subtle way than statements that make us aware of where to locate the information that is supposed to be fed to us.